Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're going to be jumping back with Tkinter, and we're going to be learning how to create a text input widget. So alright, let's just go ahead and jump into it. So here we are with our window that we left off last time, and that's why hitting that subscribe button and the notification bell is so very important, because we add one topic upon another. So all right, let's just go ahead and get our input widget on the screen. So okay, user, now let's call it username. All right, equals, and this is super simple. And then it wants to know what master widget, root widget it is associated with, and ours is when. Close this out. Then username dot pack. Boom. So here we are. So now we also already know how to do a label. So username label equals tk label, same when, then text in that, and we just do user name or whatever you'd like it to be, and then username label, and then we got a pack. Okay, there we are. Now I want you to look at the order in which this happens. That was after, right? So let's close this. Cut. Here we are. There we go. It's going to go in order. We're going to tweak this next time about placement. We have a lot of choices about placement. And then let's just go ahead and stick with it and do password. So this is what we do. Let's do TK label when we do micro videos and we do bite size. So the reason why I make a big deal about that password is those are subscriber descriptions of our channel, and we're slowly turning in to a forum as well and requested videos. Okay, so we got our password. Now let's get our text. Oops, we need to get this right. It's our label, and then packet. All right, and our password widget, tk entry when. Close that out. Password packet. So there we go. Let's see how we did. Boom. I think you can see that. There we go. So next time we're going to work on some placement, then some activity in the back. We need to create some. A lot of little things, and then let's resize this and get a submit button down here. You guys want to have these side by side? Actually, let's go ahead and take a vote on this. If we want these side by side, or if we want these vertical like this. Doesn't matter to me, but I do want to show how to start to control filling in the button across, and then we'll bring this up so we have so it's a tighter window with our submit button. So there we go, guys. Please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below, and I'll get right to them. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.